Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal in Qatar. PayPal is a widely recognized online payment system that allows you to send and receive money and make online purchases. In Qatar, it serves as a convenient platform for both individuals and businesses. While you can easily send and receive funds, it's important to note that direct withdrawals to a local bank account are mainly facilitated through Qatar National Bank, or QNB. Setting up your PayPal account in Qatar is straightforward. First, navigate to the official PayPal Qatar website and select Sign Up. You'll then choose between a personal or business account. Proceed by entering your email, creating a secure password, and providing your personal information, including your name, address, and Qatari mobile number. Finally, link a valid credit or debit card and complete the email verification process to activate your account. Remember, you'll need a government-issued ID and proof of address for full verification. Sending money with PayPal is simple. Choose your recipient, enter the amount, and select your preferred funding method. To receive funds, just share your PayPal email address with the sender. For international personal transactions, a fee of 5% applies, with a minimum of 99 cents and a maximum of $4.99 if using your PayPal balance or bank account. Be aware of currency conversion fees, which can be around 3 to 4%. If you're withdrawing funds to a QNB bank account, expect the process to take approximately 3 to 5 business days. For a smooth PayPal experience in Qatar, prioritize security by using strong passwords and two-factor authentication. Always be aware of currency conversion rates, as they can affect your transactions, with PayPal typically adding a percentage to the wholesale rate. It's crucial to avoid using VPNs when accessing your account, as this could result in account closure. If you need assistance, PayPal's Help Center, accessible via their app or website, offers options to message, chat, or call customer service. Also, note that withdrawals to a QNB account might have a daily limit of around $2,500.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.